What is good, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I want to give you guys a very quick update on Tesla and break down something very important. Let me first say that I am not a financial planner. Take nothing I say as financial advice. So earlier today I was telling you guys about this new news that came out involving the Chinese EV sales in China, and this is very important because we saw some big declines in the February sales for XPeng, Li Auto, BYD, and lots of these Chinese companies like NIO. Big declines in February because of Chinese New Year. Tesla also followed the trend as their February sales declined 19%, which is not the best of news for them, right? So we're seeing all these headlines. Tesla stock is falling. There are other headlines saying that Tesla had one of the worst delivery months in China in over a year, and it's not looking that great for them. So with that being said, with all the negative news, I gave you guys a warning about this on Tesla. We had our triple top formation. I told you if we lost 198, expect a big drop to potentially even 192. And if we lost that, there's 190 coming. Tesla is currently just shuffling around 190, but be very, very careful as we got a very aggressive sell off on Tesla. So I want to give you guys a quick warning about this. Watch resistance at this 190 area. If we break this, there's 192. And then if we end up continuing to sink, make sure you watch 188. 189.25 is one support. Then we also have 188 below that. If we lose 188, it's going to look really bad for Tesla. I could see this coming all the way down to 184. Now, the thing is, much of the selling is done. I would say the more aggressive selling has happened. So now we're entering a state where we're kind of shuffling a bit, but there is a risk of it selling off a little bit more. Maybe not as aggressively, but there could be more selling coming. So be very careful. I think Tesla's going to shuffle a lot in the 190 area, but be careful. It could sell off a lot more. So please be careful. I want to give you guys a very important warning and let you know that if you're holding Tesla shares, don't panic. The long term is still very bright for the company, of course. I still hold that view. But on days like this, be careful with Tesla. Bad news likes to affect it, and you want to just be open minded to all of that. All right. So that being said, that's it for this quick little update. Let me look at SPY real quick. It's still very, very indecisive, still pretty choppy. Let's just double check how it's looking. Yeah, so it's actually showing some life now. It's actually trying to hold up at 512.5. This is actually a little bit stronger than what I was expecting personally. So we'll see how well it holds above this. It is still quite choppy, though. It's been range bound. We'll see if this thing can try to break out towards 513 or not. But otherwise, it's still holding up well. We'll see how well it holds and how well it holds above 512.5 as support. 513 is resistance, and we'll see how it does. QQQ real quick. QQQ is still, it started off pretty weak coming down to 444, but now it's trying to rebound. It's still shuffling around 445. Watch 446 is resistance, and then 445 is support. Still kind of stuck, and it's been stuck for quite some time. Nvda right now is showing some strength that's helping the QQQ bounce. It actually managed to get above even higher than what I was expecting, breaking above 852. So watch 855 is resistance. Then we have 858 to 860 coming next. Very strong trend from the QQQ. It hasn't broken down yet. We have Aapl playing a big role in all of this as well. Aapl has been continuing to sink, hitting 174. Hasn't broken that yet, so watch the support and see if it kind of rebound. Watch 175 as resistance. Aapl is still looking kind of weak, though. It's going to shuffle at 174, and we'll see how it does. This is the decline we were talking about anyway, so it was as expected. All right, that's a very, very quick update I wanted to give you guys. I wanted to make this video quick because of Tesla. Be careful on Tesla, guys. This is a super quick update for the markets. Take care, guys. Do what you have to do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Be very, very careful out there. All right, thank you, and peace out.